Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to install Jupyter Notebook in Windows 11. So first you have to go to the browser and then you have to make sure you have the Python. If not, then you have to search for the Python on your browser. Once you search for the Python, then you have to go to its website so you can install it. So just simply search for the Python in the search bar. Once you search for it, then you will get the results like links from it. You have to make sure that you go to the right website, which is a python.org. Then you will see the option for the download. You have to just wait for a while. Once the downloading is done, then you have to install it. So just wait for once. It will hardly take like a minute or few seconds. Once that loading or the downloading is done, you have to open it and then you have to install it. For that, you can choose the option to install. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes in this whole installation process, and once it get done, then you will be able to install the Jupyter through it. Now you have to get back to your desktop and open the command prompt, and then you have to type python space slash slash version and press the enter, and it will show you the version of the Python that has been installed. This shows that Python has successfully installed. Now it's time to install the Jupyter notebook. For that, you have to type pip install Jupyter, and after that you have to press the enter key, and after that the installation for Jupyter notebook will start. This process can take up to around 2 to 3 minutes, and within that process the Jupyter notebook will also get installed. Then you will be able to use it for your coding, for your project, and for whatever reason you wanted to use it. Once this is done, then you're good to go and use the Jupyter notebook. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.